here in Philadelphia for the 2018 Automation Fair event, where the top companies gather in one place to show off their innovative technologies. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor for the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our Partner Network magazine. One of those top companies is EPLAN, and I'm talking with Sean. So Sean, for the companies who don't know who you are, what does EPLAN do?
EPLAN provides software solutions to make their engineering and design process more efficient. So they provide a data platform to support the data and engineering and follow that data throughout the entire engineering process to save time, improve quality, and at the end of the day, develop better products.
And it's my understanding you have something really exciting you're highlighting. Tell us about that.
Yes, we're highlighting this year our newest cloud solution. So what we're doing is we're taking the on-premise data that the users develop on a day basis for the control systems, and we're publishing that data now in the cloud. So it provides a complete new workflow for companies to be able to use that data and also collaborate internationally or even locally with suppliers or even end users. So by putting the data in the cloud, now we can share that data, and now suddenly production systems, or the users in the production environment, the users in the maintenance environment, the users in the programming environment have access to that data online, anywhere from any system, any operating system. And the benefit is you don't have to update the software, it's always up to date. You can use a simple browser to visualize the project, navigate through your control systems easily, and visualize the data, and also redline it. So you can provide a feedback loop back down to your engineering so they can actually make the changes and update the projects as needed.
And so how does that tie in with the Connected Enterprise?
Well, the Connected Enterprise of Rockwell provides the ability between machines to communicate, provides new workflows, how to optimize the machine processes and the engineering processes. With StoreShare View, now we can provide those engineers, those systems, those machines with the actual controls documentation online for them to access it efficiently, quickly, and always up to date. And if there are communications or changes that need to be made, they can simply highlight those changes and send the feedback directly back to engineering to optimize the system and publish a new version. So now if you have, for example, a panel view on your machine, an HMI, you can open a browser, access the project directly in the cloud, and from there you can visualize the information, share the information, collaborate, make modifications, and leverage the information instead of using the old traditional paper way.
Well, that's really powerful, and it's really important, and there's so much more you can learn about this and the other products offered from EPLAN. So go to the URL you see on the screen. In the meantime, I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2018 Automation Fair. I'll see you next time.
Thank you.